Dude, do you think birds ever get bored of flying?
What? No. That's like asking if fish get tired of swimming.
Exactly. What if they do? Like one bird's just up there like, bro, I need a scooter.
A scooter. Imagine a pigeon pulling up to the park on a little electric scooter. Beep, beep.
Move, Karen, I got breadcrumbs to catch.
Laughs. Honestly though, pigeons already walk more than they fly. Lazy little dudes.
Right? They're the only birds with a dad bod.
Bro, I saw one today just sitting on a hot dog bun. Not eating it, just sitting. Like it paid rent.
That's it. Pigeons are just retired seagulls.
Facts. On pension, living the carb life.